So hi, I'm Max. I'm an independent artist. I've been drumming for a little over 10 years now. I will be using the Collision 5A Stealths in black. I do enjoy these sticks. They're nice and light and they're durable. They're not too clunky. I get nice rhythm around the drum kit, which is decent. They don't break in 10 minutes, which is lovely because other drumsticks that I've had just break time and time again after minimal use. The Collision team, they've been great. They respond to their emails all the time, really quick and prompt. They're attentive to their customers. Their prices are really affordable, which is perfect for me. I'm really glad they've given me this opportunity, so I'd like to give my personal thanks to them for this. And for my video, I will be playing a personal favourite of mine, CKY 96 Bitter Beings.
Perceptions in a mix down 20 miles through the sticks to the cloudy town view population 96. Excessive vacancy, well maybe in the shadow of an eye. All the strangers passing through where the losers don't reply.
That was my video. Thank you for watching my cover of CKY 96 Bitter Beings. If you're interested in any of Collision's products, you can find them on Instagram at Collision Drumsticks. And again, this is my choice of stick, 5A Stealth in black. Thank you for watching.